The ADDIE Instructional Design model provides a step-by-step process that helps instructors, instructional designers, and training specialists plan and create instructional programs. This presentation will cover English as a second language instruction and learning within instructional design. The ADDIE model revolves around the 5 components: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The ADDIE model is cost-effective, saves time, structured guidance, is consistent, and is a proven design. The analysis phase of the ADDIE model identifies the learner's needs, the maturity and learning level, the history of prior master skills plus individual learner characteristics and capabilities. In the design phase of the ADDIE model, the designer will outline the processes needed to meet the instructional goals determined of the instruction, plus additional use of visual and audio content that will be utilized. During the development stage, all instruction, media, supporting documentation, and appropriate hardware and/or software are prepared to meet the set of objectives. During the implementation period, the plan is put into action. Procedure for training the learner and teacher is developed. Course materials are distributed to the learners, and the overall effectiveness of instruction is assessed. The last step, the evaluation period, measures the effectiveness and efficiency of the instruction. 2 methods are used to evaluate. Formative evaluation is an ongoing process through each stage of the ADDIE process. Another way to evaluate is the summative evaluation, which is comprised of testing processes at the final stage of instruction. English as a second language is defined as the use or study of English by speakers with different native languages. The project focuses on evaluating the learner's ability to learn English as a second language with study in the U.S. Topics covered will include gradings, verbal conjugations, and departures. The target audience are students aged 19 to 35 who are studying English as a second language. They live in a bicultural border area between Mexico and the U.S. They have some knowledge of the English language, yet they need to learn more. In many cases, their vocabulary is limited and they fail to know proper sentence structure. The students come with various levels of English, ranging anywhere from basic, intermediate, or advanced stages. The main learning obstruction that keeps them from advancing is simply a language barrier. Delivery methods that will be utilized include traditional classroom setting, hybrid, and online. The goal objectives of the instruction include learning the greetings, conjugation of verbs, and departures. The first level of objectives is for the student to learn the necessary vocabulary for the lesson. Instructional material will be books, handouts, PowerPoints, and videos. Supplemental audio and visual material will be music and videos. Once vocabulary has been mastered, students will be shown a video demonstrating modeling, which they will do in the classroom. They will begin to learn simple verbs and their conjugations. They will practice sentence writing on the board and be assigned homework, which will be gone over in class, confirming or not their grasp on the language. They will also role play in front of the class and practice in groups the new language skills they have acquired. Students will be able to use additional material such as Wiki, blogs, Twitter, Facebook, Skype, Second Life, and online discussions through Blackboard to practice and improve their language skills. At the beginning of the course, students are evaluated in terms of their listening, speaking, writing, and reading levels. Based on the outcome of the evaluation, the student will be assigned the level needed to continue with the class. According to the results, the instructor will make necessary changes to the class material so to ensure the learning. At the end of the course, the students will evaluate the material covered, the delivery of instruction, and the instructor.